It's a video for how to create an installer for Access. If you go into, I'll do it for 2007. I'm going to create it for EWST and the CAM database. If you go into, just open 2007, go to Developer, Package Solution. I'll post up a template file, but basically I have this generic template file that has got all the sort of standing settings in it. It's called base, and if we open that up, it puts it into a standard folder, and let's have a quick look. Oh, that's a dummy database. That's just a name there, and it includes these two files by default. It also includes these three registry keys, which changed. Some people don't have standard fonts, so this on big screens, these three registry settings fix the fonts from our software. And yeah, it's just got some generic kind of filled out bits in here, software version 1, that sort of thing. So I've already created one for EWST before, so I'm going to use that. That's it there. So you can see it's installing it into the directory that I wanted. So this is version 10, so I create it's going to install it in that directory now. It's got a subfolder. You just got to make sure that all this stuff points to the right areas. So on CAM, with the naming of the files, generally we have version blah 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 on the back of it. When you're going to do an installer, you take all the version information off. So because it doesn't matter in this situation. So yeah, so CAM is the folder package. The root install folder, you just put on C drive, system drive, and I create a folder of the same name. So it's going to go on C CAM, and it's going to be renamed ACCDR, which is means it'll open it in the runtime. Yeah, I often include the runtime in the package, but you don't have to. In this situation we will. I'll put the install locations in the start menu on the desktop. Shortcut name. If you've got an icon, you can use it. It's good to have an icon. Here's that's the EWST icon there. So it's going to use that for the install. And so here, this part's important. Always include the setting up a new DB PDF, and include the backend if it's a test version, and if it's not a test version, then don't include the backend. And we leave these registry keys and change the versions here. 10. Current version, and that's it. And you can save the settings. I usually do. Save it over the top of the last one. Excuse me. And that's it. And you can post that up for testing. Generally I have kind of standard naming after we create the install. See here, I name it database or install name, and then the actual version, and then the word install. So for example, always make them zips because half the clients don't have WinRAR or 7-zip. Don't know why that opened. Let's go back here. So yeah, I generally call it yeah, and that's it. Okay, thanks.